Now it's hard to find a person who doesn't know about alcohol. Whiskey, wine, rum, vodka, beer, etc. But do you know, after water and tea, beer is the most consumed drink worldwide. But, how much ordinary people know about alcohol? According to maximum people, beer is made from fruit juice, so everyone needs to drink beer, while others say that wine is made by fermenting wort in molasses. But what is the actual truth? In today's video, we will discuss about the types of alcohol, alcoholic beverages, what alcohol and alcoholic beverages are made of, etc. If you want to know more, please see the video till end and subscribe our channel, New Era. So, let's start the video. Liquor is an alcoholic beverage that is intoxicating. But, beer is not called liquor, even beer contains alcohol. Getting confused? Wait, we will not only discuss about alcohol in this video. We will also discuss about all drinks that contain alcohol. First let's know, what is alcohol? Alcohol is a type of chemical or chemical liquid, which makes people intoxicated. These alcohols are divided into three categories, namely methanol, isopropanol and ethanol. Among these three types of alcohol, only ethanol can be consumed as alcohol, the other two alcohols cannot be consumed. Take for example, methanol, also called methyl alcohol. This methanol is used as antifreeze agent, paint remover, etc. And isopropanol or isopropyl alcohol is used as disinfectants. If these methanol and isopropanol are consumed by humans, even in small amounts, they can even cause death. Therefore, there is no reason to think that ethanol does not harm humans. Today I'll not discuss about that, the video will be too long. This potable ethanol is divided into two categories, one is distilled alcohol and the other is undistilled alcohol. A vegetable sugar, such as sprouted barley, grapes, wheat, etc. are first fermented with a fungus, called yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This yeast breaks down sugars to produce alcohol. If this alcohol is extracted separately, it is called distilled alcohol. After that, this distilled alcohol is mixed with water in different proportions to make various liquors like whiskey, vodka, etc. But, if this liquor is made into alcohol without extracting it separately, then it is called undistilled alcoholic beverages, like wine, beer, champagne, etc. First I will discuss about distilled alcoholic beverages. Distilled alcohol comes first with the name of whiskey, such as Scotch, Royal Stag, McDowell, 100 Pipers, Jack Daniels, etc. These whiskies are made from grains, such as wheat, corn, rye barley, sprouted barley. First the grains are soaked and boiled. Then, fermented with yeast. It is then distilled and concentrate up to 95% ABV and aged in oakwood barrels for some months to years. After aging, aged alcohol is mixed with 40% to 50% water and some flavors are added and bottled. Then came the name of brandy. Brandy is made by fermenting apple or apricot fruit, and then distilling it up to 35% to 60% ABV. Some brand of brandy are Christian Brothers, E&J Gallo, Paul Masson, Armagnac, Cognac, Calvados, etc. After brandy, comes rum. Rum is made by fermenting sugarcane molasses or sugarcane juice. After fermenting, it is distilled and aged in oak barrel for dark rum and in steel barrel for colorless rum. After aging, it is blended from 40% to 75% ABV to make rum. Some rum brands are Bacardi, Old Monk, Barcelo, Captain Morgan, Malibu, etc. After rum, comes vodka. This water-like drink is made by fermenting potatoes. After fermentation, alcohol is separated by distillation. Vodka has an alcohol percentage of 40%. Some brands of vodka are Grey Goose, Belvedere, Carlson's Gold, etc. Then gin. Gin is made by fermenting juniper berries, with an alcohol percentage ranging from 35 to 55%. Some brands of gin are Bombay Sapphire, Plymouth, Tanqueray, etc. Next comes a famous liquor, called tequila. This tequila is made only in Mexico, by fermenting the fruit of a type of plant, called blue agave, which has an alcohol percentage of usually 40%. Some brands of tequila are Patron, Terramana, Espolón, etc. So far we have discussed about distilled alcohol, now we will discuss about undistilled alcoholic beverages. Beer will come first. The bad news for those who thinks that beer is made from fruit juice. But, reality is, this beer is not made from fruit juice, but from sprouted barley or wheat. First the sprouted barley or wheat is boiled in water. The boiling water is then mixed with a flower extract, called hops, to give the beer a bitter taste and works as a preservative also. Then the yeast is mixed and fermented, and at the end, the yeast is filtered out. Then it is packed in the glass bottle, and in this way the beautiful beer that everyone likes is made. Beer is generally divided into 3 categories according to alcohol percentage. Number 1, light beer, with an alcohol percentage of 3 to 4%. Number 2, medium beer, with an alcohol percentage of 5 to 7%, and finally, number 3, strong beer, with an alcohol percentage of 7 to 9%. After beer, comes wine, which is made from beautiful juicy grapes. The grapes are first picked from the tree and washed. The washed grapes are then crushed, after which the crushed grapes are mixed with yeast and fermented. At the end of fermentation, the grape skins and yeast are filtered out. The alcoholic solution is then mixed with a variety of lactic acid bacteria for secondary fermentation. This secondary malolactic fermentation gives the wine a nice creamy taste. The wine is then matured in wooden barrels. The matured wine is then bottled and sent to market. Famous red wine is made from black grapes, and white wine, green wine is made from green grapes. Some famous brands of wine are Cabernet Shiraz, Big Banyan Merlot, the Wolf Trap Red, etc. Next comes the Champagne. Champagne is a type of sparkling wine produced in the Champagne region of France. This champagne is made from only 3 types of grapes, Pinot Noir, Pinot Meunier and Chardonnay. Same as red wine, primary fermentation is followed by bottling with yeast, resulting carbon dioxide produced by fermentation in the bottle, which remains in the bottle and thus produces sparkling champagne. The alcohol percentage of champagne is usually 14%. Some brands of champagne are Laurent Perrier, Ayala, Cadier, etc. Next comes hard cider wine, which is made from apple juice with an alcohol percentage of 5%. Some brands are Ace Ciders, Angry Orchard, The Saint, etc. Sake. Sake is a type of Japanese alcoholic beverage made by fermenting rice with an alcohol percentage of 16%. Some brands are Desai Sake, Akishika, etc. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to like.